Hi, in this video I will show you how to slow down something on the Snapchat. So if you recorded a video and now you want to slow down that video, simply you have to follow this procedure. So first of all you have to open your Snapchat mobile application and you have to shoot. So once you will shoot a video, now you have to swipe your finger to the left. First of all, filters were changing. You have to do it 3 to 4 times. Just after the black and white effect you will see a snail type icon on the screen, and it means this will slow down your video. So if you want to slow down any of video on the Snapchat, you can follow the same procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.